Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix your network adapter missing in Windows 11. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar and type in CMD. Right click on command prompt and go into run as administrator. So here you're going to click on yes, okay, and then here you're going to type in two commands: ipconfig space/flush DNS and click on enter. So this will flush any kind of cache, DNS cache in your system. So it's a good thing to do that. So once that is done, you're going to type in net sh space winsock space reset. So this is going to reset your winsock. Click on enter. It'll take a while, let it do. So it'll say successfully resetted and you have to restart your computer. So let's restart our computer. So you're going to close out of this and restart your computer. So let it restart. Okay guys, so once your system restarted, and you should go and check your network. If the issue still persists, the only next viable option will be going to close all the startup applications, go into your search and type in network reset. Open this. Can you see network reset now? Yes, and close. So it's going to restart your computer. Okay, after you do this, it's going to restart your computer to reset your network. So that's all for this video, guys. Hopefully after the restarting, your network issue is fixed. So yeah, thanks for watching, folks.